Okay, welcome back to another unboxing and I guess a reaction video. So like, obviously I know what's in it, but I haven't opened it up, as you can see. So I've gotten this from my local retailer, ma.k. So let's have a look and see what they've sent out. That sounds stupid. I didn't get I bought this, obviously. But as I said, it's, you know, a true unboxing. But just to show you, I guess, how stuff is packaged here in Australia and whatnot. So yes, obviously I went and bought the Hello Kitty anniversary model. Okay, so looking at the outside of the box, obviously they've really picked their market well, looking at building this for kids. So as you can see, you don't need cutters, don't need glue, this is said, and anniversary model going through on the side. So again, you don't need special tools to assemble it, easy assembly that doesn't require glue, and yeah, this will look kind of cool built up. Plain box on the bottom. Oh, okay, so kind of an interesting thing that the Sanrio image is actually a sticker. So they've hand stickered those, or machine stickered them. It's not actually built into the box. Printed on the lid. Kind of making the box lid again a bit special. So again, I won't remove it too much, but Hello Kitty sticker. So let's have a quick look and see what's in the box. So again, very simple set of runners, instructions on the box. And what I'm really liking with the new kits that are coming out of Japan is that also is now having them in English, which is really, or multiple languages. So like Bandai's kind of realizing that, you know, there's a growing base outside of it. So I won't open it up. Oh yes, I will. Let's open it up and have a good look. So again, just very carefully opening. So you got your stickers for all the cute stuff. Let's get out of the way. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 runners. So if you're familiar with the Haro ball, it is basically, you know, the basic runner. There's nothing special about it as such. Note on here, it does say 2nd edition. Unfortunately, I don't read Japanese, so I don't know what the kanji is next to it. So again, standard runner for the Haro ball. Like really, there's nothing that's changed on that. But what are the extras are these two parts here. So this one actually states Hello Kitty on here with the Bandai Spirits 2020 stamping on it. Here Sanrio, who obviously are the copyright holders for Hello Kitty. So yeah, it's essentially the, you know, a regular Haro Pla. There doesn't seem to be too many major differences other than the color scheme, and there's these two that are the main, you know, the main difference. So let's put that back in the box and we'll build her up and see what she looks like.
Mr. Han?
You fought well yesterday. Your style is unorthodox.
But effective.
It is not the art, but the combat that you enjoy.